What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good afternoon, hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video and an update on Binaryx or the BNX token. Wanted to cover it because well, last night we had quite a lot of bearish momentum, as most of you know. I'm going to make this a little bit bigger, as most of you know, but for BNX that meant quite a big bearish breakout through that whole $1 support level. So I just wanted to talk about it, mainly focusing on the technicals, but there are some other things we can talk about as well. So that's what we're going to do. Before we get into that, if you want to receive daily trading signals from me and another trader, make sure to check out the pinned comment and the comments and the description. There are links to channels in which there are instructions on how to join. We've been profitable so far since the beginning 2 weeks ago. So yeah. Join that if you're interested. But now let's talk about Binaryx. And before we get into it, I mean, I wanted to warn you that I still think that Binaryx, or BNX, which we'll just call it from now on, I'm not saying it's 100% a scam, but I think there are shady elements to it. And in my eyes, it's just not a project that's worth investing in. It's just my take, of course. I mean, you can have a different opinion, but altogether, there have been a lot of shady practices and shady events happening around Binaryx and around BNX, which led me to have this opinion. And I think this whole token swap and stuff is also kind of a result of that. I mean, I think the reasons for them going from their old contract to this new one are insufficient. There's something else going on, I think. So I just want to warn you about that. Apart from that, I mean, as you can see, purely technically, last time I covered it, I said, well, we reached a major support at $1. And I actually thought we could actually start some sort of bullish momentum from $1, which I still think would have been able, that we would have been able to do something like that. But then we got a big bearish fundamental move, all right? So I'm calling it a fundamental move. What I basically mean is a move that was felt throughout the entire market. You can see this was it. It was around the same time for every crypto, and one crypto fell a little bit harder than the other, of course, but still. So what that caused for Binaryx and for BNX is that we dropped down all the way to initially 87 cents, but now we're dropping even further. And we have found some minor support at 85 cents, but to be honest, I don't think that's the end of it. Binaryx reacts very well to levels like 1.5. 1.25, this level right here, $1. It reacts very well to those increments. So what we talked about is already, I think, like 2 videos ago on BNX, is that if $1, if that whole level around $1 would not hold, the next support level would probably be around 75 cents. And I think that's where we're dropping down to. I mean, unless Bitcoin in the next day or something gets a huge pump, I think that's where we're going. So right now, I think we'll just continue this bearish momentum and these downwards moves all the way down to 80 cents, 75 cents. Usually what you see is that there's kind of a zone around a strong psychological level, like 75 cents. So that's what I expect. And I think we can actually hold that. I think we can hold it like we held $1. But whether we can actually go up from that level and whether we can rally from that level, that remains to be seen. For that, we would first of all need to hold it as a support, but second of all, also start to make some sort of higher lows from that level, which is just something I cannot predict already right now. So I'll definitely keep you updated on that, and I'll make an update on that. But for now, this is my take on Binaryx and the BNX token. If you have any questions, let me know. But for now, take care and bye.